I want to impress my husband for date night, but this is what I'm working with. I'm using Gemini Live on my Galaxy S25 Edge. All right, Gemini, if this was your fridge, what would you cook for a date night?
All right, here we go. Roast the sweet potatoes, sear the steak, whip garlic and lemon into the yogurt for a creamy base, top with herbs. Bon appetit.
Garlic yogurt? That's actually kind of elevated. Gemini really said gourmet. I call this Tuesday night Michelin-coded. And if it makes his story, you know I did something right.